If you want to make a computer prank, go to website hackertyper.net and pretend to be a hacker. What you need to do? You need to start typing. It doesn't matter what you type, a code appears on the screen. Faster you type, faster code goes on the screen. You can get even better effect and open full screen. Press on your keyboard F11 or Fn button plus F11. Fn button you will find on the left bottom corner between Ctrl and Windows button. So F11, F11, and we open full screen. Now it even looks better. When you make a mistake, you can remove some part of code by pressing backspace, and you can type again. If you press and hold caps lock, you will get a message access denied. So you need to make a little more code and then press left alt and hold EU, get access granted. Finally you get into the server. So that's all. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. You exit full screen by pressing Fn and F11 button. So just like this. And the link to this website you will find in description.